not as bright as it looks in the video, but it's 6 a.m. and there's already people in their chairs. 6 a.m. It's a little wet in here. It's kind of flooded everywhere. Every day it's rained. Here we are at lunch for spaghetti. I got tomato soup. Chris got tomato soup, and they didn't come.
Yeah, they
didn't show up.
They're empty.
Clear out there. Pouring over there. And it's already rained here. Look how wet everything is. Where are we going, baby?
We're going to dinner. It's formal night. We're going to get lobster or prime rib. It is Christine's birthday, so we got a surprise for her.
Happy birthday to you.
We got a surprise. We got a cake for her, but we'll see how that goes.
Yeah, she wanted. She was going to order pie. We're not letting her.
No, she was looking at the pie on the dessert menu, but we're going to get her. We
right.
got her a cake. So we'll see you at dinner. 3.
All right.
Car and...
Got to push that one. Car in. For an appetizer. Chris, the birthday girl, got Caesar salad. My buddy got mushroom soup, and I got mushroom soup ×2. Where's my other mushroom soup? This is just kind of ridiculous at this point. Oh, and don't laugh, he's got 2 also. So once you... Terry got a lobster. Look at that girl. Birthday girl got 2 lobsters, and he got 3 lobsters. It cost him $5 for one.
Yeah, he did.
And I got the salmon, but I'm getting lobster as well because it's right there. All right, Terry got prime rib, and I got the salmon and the lobster.
Make some noise!
Be careful, the flame.
At the count of 3. Count of 3. Happy, happy, loudly.
Light it.
Get your torch out.
Breakfast is in 2 hours.
Oh, very good, very good.
That's good enough.
Later,
She might not have the wind to blow all 3 out.
no more fuel.
Here we go. Here, she got it. I do this with kids all the time.
You're next.
I got kids.
What, no hat?
The count of 3, very happy, very loudly, happy birthday. 1, 2, and 3.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happier.
Happy birthday, dear Chris. Happy birthday to The real question is why are you all red? Why are you red?
Yeah. in line for about half an hour. You got good seats from Percy Cruise to adult show.
Oh, am I going to be offended?
If you are, go out the door.
Good evening. Hello. Winding down.
Winding down the day.
Yep.
The Venezia. It's Friday night, and we just had a great comedy show with Percy Cruise.
Two.
His dad was Percy Cruise. Percy Cruise 2. He was really, really funny. We enjoyed it. But we're both getting a second wind, and we're ready to have our chicken martini. Cheers. He's gonna spill it.
I'm not. So anyway, so a question for y'all. When is long cruises too much cruising? Yeah, when is like a 14-day cruise, is it too much? Not enough?
What would be your maximum?
Yeah, what's your maximum cruise time?
This is our 13th day or 12th day.
13th day. We got one more tomorrow, which is a sea day,
I love sea days.
and then we'll be home in 2 days.
Something like that.
So anyway, so just want to know in the comments,
Lost
is that
count.
too many? Or would you rather do a 7-day and then skip it a few months and then do another 7 day? Okay? Alright, so anyway,
We're still
yeah, it's a
trying
fun
to
day.
decide.
Relaxing day. Tomorrow will be a relaxing day. She got me up at 5:30 this morning. You saw it. At 6 o'clock I was at the pool. And people were out there. This
Filled up.
is an old cruise. Look at us. Yeah, look at us.
He means it's not an old cruise. He means there's a lot of elderly people.
Elderly
on
people.
this cruise.
Alright, so anyway, but we still had a great time. Alright. Yeah. Alright, so we will see you in the morning.
Cheers. Drink your martini.
Cheers.
I
See you
hate
tomorrow.
cruising like this.
The next Melbourne.
Roof is closed again. That roof is closed and open more than our balcony door.
I've seen those before.
Two for 20. As you can see, we are here at the Diamond and Platinum Party.
Yes.
And
Honey, I'm there.
And everybody always says, oh, you're going to get a glass of wine now. So anyway,
They'll give you whatever you want, actually, within reason.
right, they make a lot of drinks. They make rum and punch, and they had some wine up there.
Yeah.
But you can also order whatever you want at the bar. All right,
Very nice in here. It's not overcrowded. They already had one party today as well. This is a 2 o'clock party.
there's so many diamonds and platinums on here, they had to split them up.
I love it. Love it. Thank you, Carnival.
All right, yep. Cheers. I said cheers. Cheers.
Carnival. What did they say?
He said that they can run for a month on a full tank. He said, but they don't fill the tank.
Coming back, and you slowly start to become our family. So from the bottom of our hearts, thank you so much for always being our family. So give yourselves a round of applause, because you deserve that. Team, starting off with our head of entertainment, our entertainment director, whose birthday was yesterday, by the way. Boya! We're doing this again. Our finance director, Nataki. Smashed it. You want to try? You want to keep trying? Our guest services manager, Shika. you enjoy that? It's called karma. This is Jacques, everybody. This is Jacques. Our beverage operations manager, Sonia. Our human resources director, Lou. What the face? Our food and beverage director, Million. Our public health officer, Anoop. Our housekeeping manager, Victor. Our hotel director, Corey. And then, of course, the master of the vessel, your captain and mine, Captain Massimo Parisi.
Hello, grazie. Buongiorno a tutti.
The awards. Now, so far, we only have one that hasn't actually been here yet, so maybe we'll find out. The youngest spring chicken, our youngest platinum and diamond, was actually a three-way tie. They were 3 years old.
Okay, where are we going for?
We're going to dinner. It's the last night on this cruise, but I'm going to get a cheeseburger. Guarantee you.
She guarantees it.
And fried green tomatoes, I hope.
I'm getting the peony because I already had the pork chop. They did have that last week, so.
You get peony, I'm getting cheeseburger.
Yeah, and I'm getting other stuff too, and we'll show you that right in about
Yes, we
2
will.
minutes. So
Yes.
We'll bring you that
Here
menu
we go.
right
Then we're
about.
going to get milkshake.
Oh, then we're going to get a milkshake.
We got milkshake.
She's getting some weird one. I'm getting the
Tropical
spirit of
breeze.
Kentucky.
It's good spirit of Kentucky.
Right.
We might share.
No, we're
Here we
not.
go. Okay, here we go.
All right, so we're out of here.
We're going. Bye-bye.
We'll see you. We'll bring you that menu right about
Now.
now.
She says that.
Chris got the Portrait pig and cheddar soup.
Yep.
Kevin got the peony with seafood.
And she said that, I guess, Hillsborough County,
Teresa got the fried
weeks
green
is there.
tomatoes.
Spring break.
And I started out with one soup, but I got 2 more coming.
Next week.
I love
Yeah.
soup, in case y'all
Yeah,
never
and
noticed.
that's the same time.
The next appetizer, a Caesar salad. I'm hungry. Yes, the birthday girl
Chris
got a
likes it.
hamburger or a cheeseburger. Terry got a cheeseburger.
I hope Chris likes it like
So her meal got an Asian salad. Kevin got a jerk pork chop. And I got the peony.
that. Patini?
Well, the birthday girl didn't get anything but that for dessert. Kevin got, hey, bad boy. Ice cream cake. Oh, guy. I got ice cream cake. It's so pretty. And then Terry got ice cream cake.
I did.
We're standing here in front of you. We hate to see you go and say goodbye. We have done our best to serve you this cruise. We had danced for you and make you smile. For any reason, lonesome we could cry.
Well, it's almost over. No
Last
chocolate
night of our
martini.
cruise, and we're celebrating with a spiked milkshake.
Well, it's called the Spirit of Kentucky.
Milkshake. Got bourbon.
Yep. So anyway, so
Caramel.
it's a wrap. We get off in the morning,
These
head
are
home.
so good. I love these. Okay. Bye.
See ya. Bye. Hey, where are we going?
We're here at comedy. We're going to see 2 comedians. We're going to see Person Cruise 2 and Jill Kimmel. She's the sister of Jerry Kimmel. Yeah, let's go.